Hi guys, so I made this design myself and I loved it so much that I wanted to sell it. I actually wanted to sell the printed versions on t-shirts, tote bags, sweatshirts, whatever. But the shipping prices from the Netherlands to other countries are pretty expensive. So I was thinking about actually selling the SVG file so that everybody can use it for whatever they want. So I'm going to do that, but I will show you how I'm using it on my own t-shirt, like this one. Okay, here is the design I'm going to use. I'm using design space, but all you need is a t-shirt, some iron-on, a cutting mat, a Cricut machine, a weeding tool and a heat press. Don't forget to put the shiny parts down. I'm taping it down because my mat is a bit old. Don't forget to mirror your design, especially with text like this one. Here I'm saving the bits that I didn't use. That will come in handy in a few seconds. Here I'm reading everything, and with this design that is actually really easy. But as you can see, I didn't put enough vinyl down, but I will show you how to fix that. Open design space and just put the bottom contour. Click on all the lines that you are not going to need or to cut. And in the end you will end up with the lines that you only need. This technique also works pretty fine if you only want to use the words or only the mushrooms or anything. Or in my case, if you didn't do the mat correctly and you used not enough vinyl. Here you see the scrape pieces that are saved, always handy. And here we're going to weed like before. I'm removing the words that I didn't need because I didn't cut them correctly. And I'm adding the new words, like nothing happened. Now that that is done, we're going to use the heat guide from Cricut. So we are using iron-on. I'm using everyday iron-on, but you can use any kind. You can look for the UV or reflection or the glow in the dark, holographic, whatever you want. We're also going to use the base material. In our case, that's going to be cotton. But as you can see, they have all the materials you can need. We're using a Cricut pressing mat and we're using Celsius, but you can also use Fahrenheit. So now that we know the temperature and the time we need, we're going to install that in the heat press. And we're going to struggle with this t-shirt and the heat press mat, pillow, whatever you want to call it. With my chest size, I prefer the design to be a bit higher. And here I'm pressing everything down. And that's it, we're going to let it cool down. And as you can see, it's cooled down and perfect for use. Thank you.